YouTube, what it do, man? It's your boy natejustdope, back another video, and JD Nation was down with it, man. You're watching Nate's Closet, and today's video, y'all can see by the title, we got an unboxing, man. By the title, you already know what shoes they are, you know what I'm saying? So, bro, I ain't gonna waste no time. Y'all know I like to keep these videos nice and short and sweet to the point, so yeah, bro, we just gonna get straight into it, man. I'm gonna give y'all a little rundown on how I got them and everything. Yeah, bro. So, man, I wasn't expecting this shoe to be that hard to get. Well, not hard, but I wasn't expecting all the hype because it's not a Jordan 4. It's not really a Jordan 1 per se, you know what I'm saying? Even though Jordan 1s don't really have that much hype like that no more. It's a Jordan 8, you feel me? So I wasn't really expecting a lot of people to be going crazy for these like they did. But they did, you feel me? So, yeah, bro, y'all see the box right here, man. You know what I'm saying? Y'all see that OG style box. Y'all already know what they are. Like I said, I'm not gonna spend too much time on this shoe because y'all have seen countless videos on these. By the time I do my videos on shoes like this anyway, by the time I get them, there's a million videos on YouTube already, man. So yeah, bro, I ain't gonna waste no time, man. Y'all see the box. Got my pair from JD Sports, surprisingly. You know what I'm saying? Surprisingly. Which was a huge surprise to me because I've never gotten a shoe offline from JD Sports / Finish Line, you feel me? But yeah, bro, here we go. Ooh. Yes, bro. Oh, yes, bro. Oh my goodness, these are beautiful. These are so beautiful, bro. Here we go. We got the Air Jordan 8 playoffs. You know what I'm saying? There we go. Y'all see him, bro. Oh my God. Yes, sir, bro. Y'all, this has been a shoe that I've been waiting to get since high school, bro. I've never had a pair of playoff 8s, bro. Every time I was about to get some, like I said, high school, they came out when I was a freshman in high school, 07. And yeah, when I was in high school, I could only get like one shoe per year, you feel me? Or when I was in school, period. My deuce was like, hey, you gotta get one shoe for the school. Well, not one shoe for the school year, but I would get one shoe at the beginning of the school year, and then like midway during the semester, she would give me another pair of shoes. So yeah, bro. And plus she wasn't spending all that money for no Jordans, bro, back in the day. So yeah, these were not up for debate or for me to get. So yeah, bro. But yeah, man, wasn't able to get them back in 07. Slept on them in 2013, but 2023, 10 years later, your boy finally got him a pair of playoff 8s in the OG form. If y'all know that red pull tab in the back, you feel me? Yeah, man. So like I said, got my pair off of JD Sports, and I was able to get mine through early access online, the ship to me option. So I was definitely greatly surprised that I was able to get them, you know what I'm saying? So like I said, I got enough points to get any Jordan release that drops on JD Sports and Finish Line, but I never get access. Like, I never got access until was it last Thursday? They sent me an email and said, hey, you got access for these, and I was shocked, to say the least, bro. I was definitely shocked. So I went in, got through the queue real quick, and I was able to go through one time, and I put in the wrong credit card the first time. So, and I don't know how they let me do that, you feel me? So I went on ahead and canceled the first one because they let me confirm it and everything. So I canceled it, and I was able to go in the second time and put in my right credit card information. And yeah, I got them secured. And yeah, bro, Saturday hit, and I was like, you know what, I just want one pair for right now. I didn't try to double up on these, but I do plan on doubling up though, because these are like one of my favorite 8s. These are my second favorite 8s, you know what I'm saying? First is the Aquas, of course, bro. But yeah, these don't fall far behind at all, man. Like, these are so clean, bro. Plus it's the black and red colorway, so you know what I'm saying? And plus I love the little side panels on the 8s. The sock liner on the playoff 8s is so fire, bro. Look at that. That's so dope, bro. It's so dope. It has Nike Air on the insole. Y'all probably can't see it, man, but then the outsole is so beautiful, man. I love Jordan 8s, bro. I feel like we need to start back in some more Jordan 8 colorways, preferably OGs like the Aquas again. But yeah, I don't think they're gonna like retro the Aquas no time soon, at least, man, because they dropped back in what, 2015. So I don't really see them re-retroing them anytime soon. So I may just go ahead and hop on eBay or go find me a used pair, a clean used pair for the lowski, woski, you know what I'm saying? But yeah, bro, man. Yeah, this was one of my top priority pickups of the year, bro, of 2023. Behind the white cements, the reimagined 3s, these were right after that. And then, of course, the cherry 12s coming out at the end of the month. So all these OG colorways, bro, that I didn't have, I gotta have, bro. So the cherries is next on the list, bro. And like I said, I wasn't expecting like the hype to be that crazy on these. I didn't get access on, I didn't get early access on sneakers, and then the shock drop happened and I struck out. Like, I didn't get them. I was like, bro, what is going on? You know what I'm saying? Out of all the people saying they wasn't gonna get them, like it was a lot of people saying that they was gonna like pass on these, but as we saw, they didn't match that energy, you know what I'm saying? So hopefully y'all got y'all pair. I didn't win no in-store raffles at all. I didn't win DTLR, Hibbits, Foot Locker, of course, Champs, of course. And I tried to get, or I didn't get in-store access on JD Sports and Finish Line, but thankfully I got in-store, or I got shipped to me option access on JD Sports and Finish Line. So this was how I was able to get my pair, bro. Like, bruh, I'm so thankful. I'm so happy, bro. But yeah, man, let me know if y'all was able to cop, man. I don't think, from like what I've been seeing online, they sold out in store, like in the stores. So a lot of people was like surprisingly like wanting these, you feel me? So hopefully y'all got y'all a pair. If y'all didn't get y'all a pair on release date, I wouldn't say give in to resale right now. Just wait it out, because 9 times out of 10 they're gonna restock on these. So don't give in to the resale bug right now, the FOMO bug right now. If you don't have them, don't worry. I'm not throwing out no guarantees, but I'm pretty sure these are gonna like restock 1, 2, 3 times. You know what I'm saying? They gonna restock. Don't take my word for it, but I'm just saying, like, they should be restocking on these, because I'm pretty sure they made a lot of these, man. They didn't drop all of them on release day. So if y'all was in to get y'all a pair, just thug it out. Just wait it out, man. But yeah, bro. And I'm just looking at this, like this material on the panels and stuff, man. This is so different from the 2013, 20, or the 07 pair. I don't know what the OG material looks like, but I'm hearing that this is very close to the OG. So if this was anything like the OG, bro, they did a great job, bro. Like, these are so beautiful, so beautiful. So glad I got these in my collection now, man. So yeah, with that being said, if you're new, you like what you see, go down and hit the subscribe button. And once you do that, hit the bell so y'all can be notified when I drop the videos, because they will drop randomly, like I always say. Good Vibes Only 454, my clothing brand. Go and check it out at gvo454.com, and also the IG Good Vibes Only 454, so y'all can be caught up with all the updates and things like that, on like new drops that I'm gonna be doing towards the beginning of next year. So be on the lookout. But yeah, bro, subscribe to my other 2 YouTube channels, Nate Just Dope and Life with Nate, so y'all can be caught up with all the content that I post on YouTube. But now, with that being said, like I said, man, these were a must cop, top priority, you know what I'm saying, on my list of cops this year, bro. Let me know if y'all was able to cop. If y'all didn't, don't worry, don't give into the FOMO bug right now, and just wait it out, because I'm pretty sure it's gonna be restocks. I'm not throwing out no guarantees, but maybe, you feel me? But yeah, bro, just thug it out, just wait it out, man. But yeah, bro, with that being said, it's your boy Nate Just Dope signing out. Deuces.
I'm off this one. I couldn't get a bill paid. You couldn't buy the real thing.
way, trying to figure out